Welcome to Home Voyage Inspirations channel. In this video, we are diving into the world of modern industrial bedroom design. If you are looking to transform your space with a stylish and contemporary industrial vibe, you've come to the right place. Industrial design is all about embracing raw materials and functional, no-nonsense aesthetics. Think exposed brick walls, metal accents, and a touch of vintage charm. This style is perfect for those who love a blend of rugged and refined elements. To achieve the perfect industrial bedroom, focus on a few key elements. Start with exposed brick or concrete walls to set the stage. Incorporate metal furniture like bed frames and nightstands. Large factory-style windows not only bring in natural light, but also add to the industrial appeal. Modernize the industrial look with sleek furniture and minimalist decor. Opt for clean lines and neutral color palettes. Add contemporary pieces like stylish lighting fixtures and modern art to elevate the space. Don't be afraid to mix materials. Combine wood, metal, and plush textiles for a cozy yet edgy feel. Reclaimed wood furniture adds warmth, while metal accents keep it cool and industrial. Remember, a bedroom should be both cozy and functional. Layer your bedding with soft blankets and pillows to add comfort. Keep the space organized with practical storage solutions that complement the industrial theme. And there you have it, a guide to creating a modern industrial bedroom that's both stylish and functional. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.